Biryani is ready.
Hello friends, today we will learn how to make chicken biryani for beginners.
The biryani is getting ready, guys. Mom changed the vessel. We have the marinated chicken over here. Onions cut. The mint leaves are ready. And my mom's also ready. Hi, mommy. Hi.
Two tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. Oil.
3 bay leaves, cinnamon 2 sticks, star anise 3 or 4, few cloves, jeera, pepper, fenugreek and mace. For more information, please check the description box.
Very soon.
Coriander, green chilies, garlic and ginger.
All the spices that have gone inside and she's mixing it really well. How many minutes are you going 10 minutes, huh? And the green paste could all mix on. Okay. Next goes onion and cheese. Yes. Pudina.
Mint leaves.
Ella putting
1 punch.
Handful. Nice. Wow. Can you see the smokiness which is coming out of the biryani? Woohoo! मेरा मॉम का हाथ का खाना. My mom's mixing it well so that the spices and all the ingredients should not stick to the vessel. La?
Not to burn.
Not to burn the vessel. Okay, not to burn the vessel.
Add the marinated chicken. The marinated chicken requires 1 cup curd, chili powder, dhaniya powder, salt and turmeric powder. Soak it for 30 minutes.
There's some water my mom is putting on the chicken. La? Now my mom is going to keep the lid.
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Biryani.
So after 15 minutes, we have taken out. Nice. Wow. Mix one ringla. Okay. Basmati rice soaked for 20 minutes, washed nicely, and now.
Clean and.
Okay. 3 cups la illa vandrom po illa ver saadla idu.
6 people can eat.
One time 6 to 7
time.
people. 6 to 7 people can eat this.
Yeah.
Nice. Mix it well with all the spices. 2 cup water.
2 cup water.
This is extra salt that we are putting.
For the rice.
Nice.
Okay. Cook for 20 minutes, then check it.
Okay.
20 minutes. Now we will make biryani masala. 3 bay leaves, 2 mace, few cloves, star anise, 3 cinnamon, black pepper, black cardamom, green cardamom, fennel seed, cumin seeds. Roast well and grind it.
Illa nimsham ingar keepo.
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Wow. Wow. This is the biryani masala that my mom has made. If you guys want, this will soon go for sale as well. Nice.
Pudeena leaves, mint leaves,
Mint leaves. mint leaves and either spices ninga ippom pottinga biryani masala idella smell kaviya. Smell and taste kavala. Okay. Little ghee as well.
Ghee 1 tablespoon.
Okay, this is ghee.
1 tablespoon.
Okay. Okay, switch it off. And so we are going to put cashews and kismis. It depends upon your own taste, right? What if you want to put this?
It's finished.
Finished?
Yeah.
Pulao aita?
Yeah.
Alladana? Illa easy amma. Illa easy ah mudichidinga.
So next time you make it, huh?
Next time na pannanuma. This is a very bachelor friendly recipe. Lama? Yes, vare nalla tasty ipo idu taste pannalam nama. Okay. Okay. Woohoo! मेरे को नहीं पता इतना जल्दी होने वाला है. Biryani is ready. वांग serve करना नम्मा. This is easily doable for 6 people. 5 to 6 people can have it. Nice, yummy biryani. Okay. Any leg piece putting na? Leg piece putting. This is the art, and the artist. Hi, artist.
If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe.